Here's where you can see all the accounts you're tracking. You can click into any of them and instantly see all their videos in one place, along with every key insight. You've got the views, likes, comments, saves, basically everything you need to understand how each video is performing. If you click on the account itself, you can also adjust your tracking limit, so you can decide exactly how many videos you want to track at a time. Now when you open a video, you can get a full breakdown on how often it's been watched, how long it is, the engagement rate, likes, comments, and bookmarks. You can even re-watch the video right away. You will see all the hashtags and the full caption, super helpful when you're working with creators or want to analyze what kind of text they're using. You can check when the video was published and what platform it's from. Like here, you can see it's an Instagram reel. Up here, you can filter by account, so you only see videos from specific creators. You can also filter by date, like the last 14 or 30 days. Or even filter by platform to only see TikTok videos or just Instagram videos. And if you only want to track one single video, you can just copy the link, like this TikTok, post it into Viral.app, and it will start tracking automatically. Finally, there's your General Overview tab. It gives you a snapshot of your top performing videos. You can even filter by what matters most to you, top videos by views, by likes, or by comments. That's it, everything you need to track, compare, and understand what's really driving your growth, all inside Viral.app.